Ever feel like email is a mess? Let me show you how easy it is to use Gmail. So Gmail is a free email service from Google that makes managing your messages super simple. You can send emails, organize them with labels, and even search for old messages in seconds. It's like having a superpower for your inbox. Let me walk you through the basics so you can get started right now. So hello everyone, I hope everything is doing well firstly, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use gmail.com. So the first step that you have to do is just here log in and find your email firstly. You can just dive into mail.google.com, or you can just here upload or download the application and you start by creating an account or by starting a login. Of course you have an account because we use it in the whole life, and that's it for this one. So to get started, we have here other options that could help you. For example, to send an email, I will just click over compose if I want to do that, and then we'll click over here in the middle of those ones, and then I will just here select the email. For example, we have this email. Then I will just come back right now and I will add a subject. For example, here for asking advices. And then I will just come back and I will start. Hey, I hope. Hey, my friends, or my best friend. Hi, my best friend. I hope everything's doing well. Everything's doing well. Is doing well. And that's it, for example. And I type it down. I type, or I write to ask for advice. For a problem or an issue. Then you have just to select here, for example, this one. I will make it bold. If you want to also here put the color that you want, for example, I will select here this one. Hey. So we have hey. I will just select here if I want Georgia, or if I want here Garamond, and we have also here other things. As you can see, have here Georgia, you have here comic, then we have here narrow, wide, then we have here fixed width, and then we have here also here if I want to make it huge, if I want to make it large, if I want to make it normal, if I want to make it also small, then I will make it huge. Then we have a bold if I want to make it italic, underline. Then we have here the text color. I will make this one here with this background, and also with here the black one. Then we have also here alignment. Then we have here bottled or numbered list. When I also bottled list, you click over here. Or when I also in that list, you have input more, and then we have also here code, and then we have here right to left, and then we have here strike draw, then we have also here remove formatting if we want. That's it for this one right now. If you want to share, click over here. If you want to here also attach files, you click over here and you use your computer, and then we'll find also if you want to insert link, you click over here and you have to add the text to display link to. Here we have to what URL should this link go. You select your email address or web address, then you have just to test this link if you want, and then you click over OK once you're done. Then we have also here emoji. If you want to add emojis, you can see. If you want to also here insert files using Drive, then you'll find also here, for example, here insert photo. Then also if you want to here toggle confidential mode, you have just to select if you want to expires in 1 day, expires in 1 week, expires in 1 month, expires in 3 months or in 5 years, and that's it. And you click over save once you've done. I will select here for example 1 day, and then I will select SMS passcode or no SMS passcode, and you click over save. Then also we have here insert signature. You can just manage signature if you want. And then we have also other options. If one here, for example, default to full screen, plain text mode, page text spelling, and we have set up a time to meet. We have a label if one labeled as a social, updates, forms, promotions. Then we have set up time to meet, offer times you are free, and also you can create an event if you want. So that's it for this one. You can just click over send and send it right now. Then we have here in the inbox other information such as here in the labels. For example, we have here more, and we have also here send, snows, drafts, start. Then we have a less important, charts, scheduled, all mail, spam, trash categories, and we have also here social, updates, forums. Then we have here promotions, manage labels, and then we have also here create new label. If you want, I will click over create new label, and I will here add or enter a new label name, next label will enter, and I will just get it started right now. So alright, so right now let's just go to the settings to more understand how it works with this one. If you want to here modify some things on your settings. For example, we have here general, and in general we'll find here short and mid, advanced, offline, and teams. So we have here first the language, phone numbers, maximum page size, and the send. We have a default reply behavior, hover actions, send and archive, default text style, images, dynamic email. Then we have a grammar, spelling, autocorrect. Then we have a smart compose personalization, conversation, view, nudges, and we have also a smart reply, smart features and personalization, and other options. You can just here modify all the settings if you want. Then we have also here short and mid. If you want to hear advanced, offline, and teams. Then we have also here labels. So you can see short and mid, advanced, offline, teams, inbox, accounts and import, filters and blocked addresses, forwarding, and pop add-ons as well. So, and that's it. Gmail is pretty simple once you get the hang of it. And honestly, to make email way easier, don't stress if it feels a little confusing at first. I'm here if you need help, just give it a try, and soon you'll be cruising through your inbox like a pro. So this is how it works with gmail.google or mail.google.com or the application of Gmail, by the way. So we have just to follow the steps to confirm here or to send your email, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. We have also other options that could help you. In the right, you have just to click over for calendar, and we have also here keep, and then we have tasks, contacts, and if you wanna get add-ons. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.